As far as allowing the brokerage community to make the ultimate decision, I think NAR has policy that basically states that the brokerage does have control of their listing data. At the CRMLS level, very much embedded in policy is that CRMLS does not syndicate data on a wholesale rate out to any third-party portals. There are very few that has been allowed and grandfathered in, but as a policy, it is our choice to allow the brokerage community to make those choices on their own. And they absolutely demand tools out of us in order to provide the listing data to the areas they want us to have it go to. But as a policy, the CRMLS and our underlying associations don't allow widespread syndication of listing data unless specifically allowed for by the brokerage community.